Hi everybody, welcome to a new video by Saqib Iqbal Digital, and today we will learn how to remove a background from your photo in Canva. So right now I am on the home screen of Canva. Here I search Instagram post design, which is whose size is 1080 cross 1080 pixels, which is about 1:1. So when I click on this, I come on the page where I find a number of free Instagram templates. Okay, so here I find a number of Instagram templates. If I click on a create and blank Instagram post, I would become on this page. Okay, so first of all I need a photo whose background I want to remove in Canva. So I go to photos tab and insert any photo. Okay, so I use this one. Okay, the photo is here in the my design right now. If I click on the edit image, there I find an option of background remover. But here's a tip: if you want to crop your photo, so first crop and then remove your background. If you want to flip your photo, first flip it, then remove a background from your photo. Okay, so I want to crop it right now. First I have to crop it. Now it is fine. I place in the middle of my design. Now I click on a background remover feature. With one single click, the background of this photo is removed. Okay, here's the two options I found when I click on this: the erase and the restore. Once it is completed, it is also available. Select a brush. Okay, it's going to be okay. Okay, it's done. If I find any area which needs to be restored or erased from my photo, I have these two options of erase and restore. If I click on erase, so I can easily erase anything from my background removed photo. And if I want to restore, I click on restore and simply restore any missing part of my photo. So this is a brush size which I have, which I need to be increased or decreased as per need. If everything is done, I click on done, and here is how with a single click I can easily remove the background of my photo. But if I come on the home page, I find here a number of pricing plans of Canva. Okay, okay, yes, here it is, pricing plans. And there is a free version, there is a pro version, enterprise, education, and non-profit. The Canva for education and Canva for non-profits or not for profit is free, totally free. The first one, that is free version, is also free, but for the enterprise and pro version they are paid. And the feature of background remover is available for only pro users. Here I have to compare the plans. I will show this. Compare plans. This is the pricing page of Canva. Here I compare plans, and here I find one click background photo background remover is not available for the free users. So what you will do, simply go to the website, which is remove.bg. Here I have to upload a photo with whose I want to remove a background. For example, this one. I simply upload this photo and remove the background and download it, and then upload in Canva for my personal use. So you need not to worry if you don't have a Canva Pro plan. If you have a Canva free plan, so go to the remove.bg/upload, and there are two ways to upload your photo. If you have that photo in your computer, you can easily upload like I am doing. But if the photo is available on any online source like Google Drive or any website, for example Unsplash. By the way, my Unsplash course is under process and will be released soon, inshallah. So if I choose this photo, so I simply I use this copy, I use this link, I copy this link and come on this website. Okay, sorry, image resolution is so high. Yes, that was really so high. Simply I have to copy this link and then control plus V. I press control plus V on my keyboard, and okay, this is not working for me as well. I use another image. I simply Google it. For example, of tea. Cup of tea. Maybe in Splash restrict the website for use. Okay, I simply use this. This is also on Splash. Okay, bbodyvise.com. So I click on this photo, I copy image address. Okay, I have to copy the image address actually. Come on remove.bg and then paste it. Once I paste, I simply press Ctrl plus V. The background is easily removed now. I download this photo. Okay, the HD download is not, I think, free right now, but I don't need HD one. I need the preview image, like 691 cross 361. Okay, so I simply go to my Canva, I open a new page in my design, I go to upload tab, upload media, and then I simply upload that photo and use that in my design. So here you can easily remove the background of your photo with a single click in Canva. Number one, I simply remove that background in Canva, and number two, I remove the background of my photo in remove.bg, download it and upload it in, and I can easily use in Canva. Okay, so this is just for today. Hope so you will like the video. See you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment of anything, any topic you want to learn about Canva. So take care and have a good day. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.